Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a beautiful 2012 Yamaha Stratoliner that I want to show you. This bike is in excellent condition, very low miles. It's got a 113 cubic inch motor, that's about 1854 cc's. It's got a 5-speed transmission. It is a belt drive bike. Air-cooled V-twin. It's got a chrome front end on it, dual front disc brakes, really nice aluminum spoke mag rims, excellent tires. Paint looks real good on this bike. I don't see anything that I need to point out to you. See a little bit of metallic in there. Looks like maybe a little bit of a red metallic and a little bit of silver metallic. Just enough to give it some nice sparkle. All the chrome looks real good on it. Got a detachable windshield. All chrome levers and switch housings. I don't know if you can see that metallic or not, but it really looks pretty slick. Big chrome dash. The bike's got 1,629 miles. Not many miles at all. Engine just looks beautiful. Black powder coated with all that chrome trim. Got hard molded leather bags. Lockable. Big nice passenger backrest. Large touring saddle. 2-in-1 exhaust. That's factory exhaust on this bike. Nostalgic looking turn signals, tail light. Lots of rubber left on that rear tire. Just in beautiful condition. Really nice touring bike. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. This bike went through our service department, was checked out. Got a good clean bill of health. It's ready for the road. Got some good warranty options. Some good finance options on it. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.